You know what's not fun? Making the same edit in 5 places. Let's make sure you never have to. In this video, we're focusing on components, starting with what they are, then how to make them, followed by how to reuse them anywhere, and finally, how to edit them like a pro. So, what exactly is a component? Think of a component as a reusable design element, a card or a CTA section, anything you'll use more than once. When you create a component, Mosaic stores its design so you can use it anywhere as an instance. Each instance inherits design updates from the component, so when you change the main one, they all stay in sync. But instances can also have their own content or small design tweaks without breaking that connection. That's the beauty of components: global consistency and local flexibility. All right, let's make one. Click the context menu on the toolbar and select Create Component. I'll name this one Team. Next, choose the category. Components can be a page, a block, or a part, depending on how you'll use them. Since this one's just a part of a section, we'll go with part. Then select its category, or make your own. I'll just create a new one called Card, and add an icon, because why not? Then hit Create. And there it is, outlined in purple, our shiny new component. Let's reuse it right away. Head to the Add panel, then drag in a component element and select Part from the category list. And there it is, our brand new Team component. Click it, and boom, it appears instantly. I'll just duplicate this instance, as that's another quick way to add one. And just like that, we've got 3 matching instances. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's see how editing works. We'll start with the component itself. First, click the Edit Component icon on the toolbar. See that purple label at the top left? You're now inside the component scope. This means every change we make here will update across all instances. You can leave by clicking the Leave icon in the navigator or the Leave button in the toolbar. But for now, let's go back and make something happen. I'll duplicate a link in the component. And look, all instances instantly get the new link. Let's swap this icon too. I'll change it to Facebook, and yep, all 3 update automatically. But what if we only want to change one instance? No problem. Double-click it or hit the Edit button. Then check the top left again. You'll see that now you're in the instance's scope. You can easily hop in and out anytime as before or by using the right panel. Now we can safely make changes that only affect this one. I'll change the image. See that? Only this instance updates, and the rest stay untouched. Exactly how it should be. Let's remove a link. And the override sticks to this instance. But here's the neat part. You can reset overrides anytime to sync back with the component. Same thing goes for the toolbar. All the reset actions live there too. You can even reset the entire instance. Select it, hit the Reset Overrides icon, and boom, it's back to its base design. Just undo if you change your mind. Easy. Let's try something different. First, I'll double-click the image in this instance and swap it for the one I want. Then, I'll duplicate another link in just this instance. You'll notice a dotted outline in the navigator. That means this content is unique to that instance. Let's change its icon. Pinterest works. Perfect. Now we've got 3 variations of the same core design. If you ever want to break an instance free completely, you can detach it. You'll see the purple overlay disappear, meaning it's no longer connected to the main component. But let's undo that, because let's be real, consistency is kind of the whole point here. Now, a quick styling note. When you're working inside an instance, you'll notice its elements have no classes, since it's a unique design content. So any change you make here only applies to this instance. The rest of your design stays untouched. So, if I make this text italic, it affects only this instance, nothing else. But if I go back into the main component and select that same text, it has classes again, meaning global styling is active. So, if I update a subclass, all instances update instantly, while instance overrides stay intact. Powerful, right? And if you ever regret it, you know the drill, just undo. Now let's take it a step further. You can even create components that contain other components. Let's turn this whole section into a reusable team section. Keep it as a block since it's a full section. I'll keep the category uncategorized for now and hit Create. And there it is, our new team section component with nested components inside. Now let's save our changes, open the Mosaic menu, and head over to a new template. Let's say Contact. Here's a nice empty spot. From the Add panel, I'll add a component element, pick the team section, and drop it in. And just like that, the whole section is reused perfectly. Now watch this. If I edit the team section component on the About page and hit Save, the changes automatically update here on Contact too. Okay, let's wrap it up. You can manage all your components from the components list, create new ones, organize existing ones, or build them from scratch. Everything's synced, scalable, and ready to reuse. That's the power of components in Mosaic. Design once, use anywhere, and stay consistent. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, hit that thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and join our community using the link below. We'll see you in the next one.